In tonight's video we will be refitting the new clutch to the car and then refitting the gearbox along with the subframe, a new steering rack, and then any other bits and pieces we get a chance to finish. Hope you enjoy. So we now undo the clutch slave cylinder. This part here. It's actually quite expensive for the slave.
Wait.
The slave.
How much?
35 quid. There's more for the slave than the clutch kit. There we have it. The new slave cylinder installed and the new clutch kit installed, ready for the gearbox to go back on. We've refitted the front engine mount on the starter motor. These are the first new bits to start going back onto the car.
Swing bomb engine forward. So whether you go underneath and pull or just push on top of engine, see if it'll.
Will it twist down, hook under? Right. Right, so I need to put that in there. That goes in there.
Anyone? No.
You can let go of the engine there.
Am I still needed?
No. No. So if I can put these pipes back in here, then
This is where it don't. Might do the tighten it. Yeah, that's it.
There's a bit of diesel in it.
Yeah, a bit of a diesel.
Did you get it out?
Yeah, we've made a bit of a diesel leak. So a quick update as to what we achieved today. We managed to get the clutch swapped, we managed to fit the new steering rack, we managed to change the fuel filter, we managed to put all of the bits back in. So it's pretty much back to where it was this morning before we started taking it apart. Subframe's been painted, just needs front suspension going back on the wheels. And we actually don't have 2 May bolts left over, which is a change. If you enjoy my content and you want to see more, then please like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to me. I'm really enjoying the YouTube video. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you next time.